Understanding the phrase, I'm run down, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, I'm run down. This expression might sound a bit puzzling, but don't worry. We're here to break it down and make it easy for you to understand and use in your everyday conversations. When someone says, I'm run down, they're expressing that they feel tired, exhausted, or lacking energy. It's often used to describe a state of physical or emotional tiredness, not just a temporary feeling of sleepiness. For example, after a long week of work, you might feel run down due to the accumulated stress and fatigue. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it correctly in sentences. Here are some examples. I've been working non-stop for days. I'm really run down. She looks run down. Maybe she should take a break. In these examples, run down is used to describe a state of being that results from prolonged stress, hard work, or lack of rest. It's helpful to know other phrases or words that can be used in place of I'm run down. Some synonyms include exhausted, weary, fatigued, burned out. You can use these interchangeably with run down to add variety to your conversations. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, here's a quick tip on pronunciation. Focus on the run part, pronounced just like the verb to run. Down follows naturally, with a clear D sound and a short O as in not. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using the phrase, I'm run down. Remember, feeling run down is a common human experience, and now you can express it confidently in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations when you feel tired or exhausted. See you in our next video.